Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to add really cool channel art to your channel, like profile picture, background art, and you can design it on your own. You can add text, there's different fonts, you can add images, and there's even like set templates. You can change the colors in the templates. It's amazing. It's absolutely free. So first thing, as always, open up the browser. I'll be showing you with the brand account, but for profile pictures and stuff, it doesn't really matter. Go to YouTube, and then go to my channel. So look at this. It looks pretty boring, I have to say, and you may want to add some art, something like that. So first thing you're gonna want to do is you probably add a background banner. So I like to use this website called Panzoid, and it's called Background. So it's Backgrounder 3 is the current model. So first thing you do is go to Basics and click on. So YouTube 1 is the banner, channel avatar is channel avatar, thumbnail is thumbnail for the video. And so we're going to do YouTube 1. And we can already change our background color. Okay, let me get it to blue. Blue. Okay, so now I have blue background. You can go to templates, and you can choose whichever one you kind of like. So say you want to choose, say this one looked kind of nice. So you can kind of position the words and stuff like that. And you can go to layer 1, and you can actually change the colors. So you can change this to be like red. Just red clouds. This can be kind of a black color. And then this part can be like sky blue, like that. How does that look? Look kind of like fire. So if you click right here, it kind of just shuffles it around. So you find one that you think looks nice. And just remember that all you're going to get is this little square right here. So just keep that in mind always. And then text and images, they call them sprites. So you can change the font. So, make sure it kind of reflects on your channel. So, if you're doing gaming channel, you may want to use something like this. Say like Simplech or Simplech. You can make it different colors. So make it like make it blue, and then make you can change the positioning of it just by dragging it around or editing these numbers. You can rotate it so it'd be like 270 degrees. Or you can kind of just come like this and look at how it looks. So if you want it to be at 180, so let's go 0, and then kind of make it tilt to the side a bit. So 340, something like that. And you can kind of position it. And then you can change the font size. Now it's really tiny, now it's bigger. You can add a border, which it looks really cool. You can actually have it thicker, so you can kind of see it very clearly. You can make it red, so it looks pretty crazy. And then you can add a shadow. So you can do like a yellow shadow. That. and you can change the offset and the blur, so I'm going to make it less blurry. And so yeah, it's pretty much all you can do with the text. You can add images. You have to select a file from your computer to say you like. Make sure you select images that you have the license to use, like something in the public domain. Don't just go off the internet, because if you get lucky, you know, if your channel does get big and you have a copyrighted image, that's not going to be good. So yeah, just think about that. You can add images, change the scale of it. Sometimes if it's too big, you can enter in like a decimal, like 0.5, and it'll make it a bit smaller. Make sure anything you do to X, you gotta do it to Y, otherwise it looks kind of skewed. But I'm not adding an image, just because I don't want to go and look for one in the public domain. You can rotate your image, but once you've done all this, you're happy with it, you can download your background, and then click download. And make sure you keep this page open for a while until the download starts. There it is, background 10, because I've done a lot of these. That's how I make pretty much all my thumbnails in all my channel art. So you're going to click on add channel art, and you can just drag it in like that. And it's going to be like a perfect size for so look at that, that's how it will look. So it's just kind of saving it. Boom. That looks really cool. So there's that, and then you can change your profile picture. So you can come back here, close that, and go back to basics. YouTube channel avatar. So you want to keep like a similar kind of a theme. So you're just I'm gonna mix the clouds up. There we go. That looks nice. And I'm gonna add text. So you know, Simplech. Let's see. Subscribe. You know, and then I wouldn't recommend doing this. Usually you would probably want to do it in the same font. So I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. And it's right there. It's like Zyrod, I think is how you say it. And you can, you know, change the color and everything like that. So right now, maybe you're happy with your thing. So you're gonna again download it. Download. And wait for it to download. And then you're gonna come back here. And since this is a brand account, see, this is why I wanted to use a brand account to show you guys. Because if you use a normal account, just click on here and drag the image, and it'll come and it'll update and it'll all be cool. But the brand is a bit more complicated. There's like a glitch where it gets a bit crazy sometimes. So you're gonna find it. So background, oops, I have my caps lock on. Background 11. So done. So you have to actually link it to your entire brand account, and it'll say like it'll take a few minutes to update. It may take a few minutes, but it really doesn't. It doesn't actually come really soon. So there's a few ways you can try to fix this. The ways that works for me is you just come up here, go to history, clear browsing data, and go to like the beginning of time, do everything, clear browsing data, okay, come back, refresh the page, and you know, you just have to keep repeating that, and eventually, hopefully, it will come. And so yeah, there's no real solution to it, but that's the thing that's worked for me. You know, just have to keep trying that, and hopefully. So just a quick update. It's been a few days, and now the profile picture is working. So sometimes you just have to wait for a while, or if it's still not working, just keep trying to erase your history, and hopefully it'll work. So again, just Control H, clear browsing data, beginning of time, and clear, and then you should be fine.